because we have seen a 62% increase in the number of people who are actually searching for property names. So like Carpe Diem in Galveston, when somebody types that in, we want our website to be the #1 listing there. And we'll even add things in like aggregating reviews from all of the OTAs and FAQs. So that would be like crowdsourced user-generated content of, does this property have a Keurig coffee pot? Or I notice it has a boat dock and I bring my 19-foot center console. So, just having those questions and answers allows for more authority on that specific property, and you should be ranking at the top. And by doing this, in the last 30 days, depending on the number of properties, we've seen between 30 to 180 additional conversions based off adding in this feature.